Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today, I got a big item. It's a hakusai leaf, Chinese cabbage. So this one is a leaf side because bottom side I'm using for the tsukemono, Japanese pickled hakusai, Chinese cabbage. So I'm always use bottom side. That's why many leaf side I have. But so I'm gonna try to make a hakusai stir fry called Gomoku itame. 5 different item stir fry. So one of hakusai, Chinese cabbage, meat, shiitake mushroom, enoki mushroom, and this one is squid legs, gesso, ika gesso, squid legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different items stir fry. Gomoku itame, gomoku means 5. So I'm gonna try to make using pepper, 白だし、Chinese sake, 紹興酒. I need some rich flavor, so I'm gonna use this one. It's chicken soup stock powder. So more rich flavor. Chili pepper, garlic, and ginger. Okay. This is chili pepper and garlic and ginger chopped. This is negi oil, long leaf flavored oil, homemade one. Squid leg, shiitake, enoki. Hakusai. Chinese sake, 紹興酒. Pepper. 白だし白だし。This is a chicken soup powder. Sesame oil. Little bit soy sauce. Up. Almost end of part. Let's again. This is a starch and water, making sticky sauce. Okay, done. Okay, this is Chinese cabbage, stir fried, 5 different items inside. It's a Gomoku itame, Chinese cabbage. It's nice, right? So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Bye.